Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Jill, and I have a little mini organizing challenge for you. A challenge that will help you start, and it'll help you focus on a really specific area. So this area that I'm talking about today are your sheet sets. So before you start editing your linen closet or wherever you store your sheets, I want you to think about a few things. It'll help you simplify the matter and help you make decisions. First of all, you're going to just focus on sheets, nothing else, none of the other bedding, so stay laser focused. How many beds do you own? How many are in your house? What size mattresses do you have? How many backup sets of sheets are you comfortable owning? Do you want one set as a backup, one on the bed, one as a backup, or are you more comfortable with a couple sets of backup sheets? Now, if it takes effort to put those sheets away on a weekly basis, once you wash them, fold them, if you're trying to cram them into the space, it's a real jumbled mess, you can't get anything more in there without some effort, then that is your clue that it is time to downsize those sheet sets. And this is how you're going to do it. Think about these guidelines as you're going about it, and it'll help you make decisions so you're not stuck. First of all, the elastic corners of the fitted sheets, are they still functioning? Or are they slipping? Have they lost their elasticity, and is the corner slipping off the bed in the middle of the night? That is so frustrating when you wake up and the sheets are no longer secured. So those might be a good candidate to let go. How about the ones with holes or tears? Or just, worn out, threadbare. Duplicates or quad duplicates. How many duplicates do you have? Do you own crib sheets, but your children are now in high school? You might find some lurking in those closets. I typically find those when I'm working in my clients' linen closets. Crib sheets from decades ago. They get lost, they get crammed in there, right? We forget we have them. No worries, time to let them go though. How about sheets in sizes for mattresses you no longer own? You've gotten rid of those mattresses, or you've moved up to a bigger mattress, a smaller mattress, whatever it may be. Incomplete sets, or dozens of extra pillowcases. So there are some questions that you can ask yourself to help you let go of some of those sheet sets. You only have so many beds, keep that in mind, and you probably have a washing machine. Now, if you have to go to a laundromat, if you have to go down to the laundry room and put in the quarters, maybe you want a few extra sets of sheets. It'll depend on your situation. We are all different. Keep the best, toss, recycle, donate the rest. Sometimes animal shelters will take them, or animal rescue places. Call and find out if they want your worn out sheets. That might be a good home for them. Also, I want you to be as ruthless as possible. So maybe once you've done this and you've folded the sheets, you've gone through everything, sorted, folded, and they still do not fit into the space they're intended to go into their home, do it again. Ask yourself those questions again and reevaluate, because you want them to fit comfortably. So they're not crammed in there, they're not falling out when you open the door. You want it to be a comfortable situation for your sheets. It'll just feel better. So I hope this helps you edit your sheets. I would love to hear from you. Comment below if you've done this challenge and let me know how it went for you. Please subscribe and also click the notification bell so you know when I release a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Jill, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert in Madison, Wisconsin. Thank you. See you next time.